Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Run an elevated command prompt so the tool can access drives. Once done, confirm the drive letter and file system type, NTFS versus FAT or XFAT, because the mode you pick depends on it. Make sure you have an external destination drive to avoid overwriting lost data. Then execute Windows file recovery with the appropriate mode flag. This begins the recovery session immediately and prevents further writes to the source drive. Now focus on the command details. Pick default for recent deletes on NTFS, segment for fragmented or older data, or signature for non-NTFS or unknown layouts. Once chosen, construct the WinFor command with source and destination drives and add precise filters to limit scope. This speeds scanning and reduces noise. Make sure to include recursive flags if needed and run the scan. Monitor progress in the console and note recovered file counts so you can adjust filters in a file. Finish by inspecting recovered files on the external destination. Open a sample to confirm integrity before moving files back. If results are sparse, try a broader filter or switch to signature mode and run again. Each pass can find different fragments. Make sure you never write to the original drive. If you encounter permission or access errors, rerun command prompt as administrator or boot into WinPE to unmount the disk. This often resolves locking issues and allows a full scan to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.